Good evening, my dear subscribers. Guess what we are going to do today? Or this evening? We're going to learn some Croatian, of course.
Hello, dear friends of Croatian language. Today we're going to talk about the Croatian alphabet, which is called Hrvatska Abeceda in Croatian. So let's begin with the system. The Croatian language is using the Latin alphabet, like ABC and so on, plus the diacritic signs. What are diacritic signs? Those are signs added to letters marking a different meaning from the original. For example, they can be dots, lines, hooks, circles, and so on. So to give you some examples, in Croatian we have sh, which is pronounced same as sh in English. We have in Estonian. You should look it up because I'm not able to explain it to you in English. We use a long A in Latin grammar to express the Latin, the ablative case. We have a ye in Lithuanian. Sorry if I mispronounced it. We have an in German, which is a diphthong, like A and E together in German. And we have a w in Polish, like W in wait, wait. Alright, so what else? We have a few letters that are written the same in Croatian, same as in English. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, excuse me, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, Z. So you can see that some letters are missing out, and this means that they are not officially used in Croatian, only when they take the original form of names, like English names, German names, whatever. And don't forget, those letters from A to Z are not pronounced the same as in English, but we'll talk about this later. So the special, differently written letters are ch, ch, j, sh, and zh. There are also the last three ones, which are j, l, and ny. Now let's see how every single letter is pronounced, and let's see what kind of examples we have here. A, abonent, subscriber. B, beba, a baby. C, cipela, a shoe. Č or che, četka, a brush. Ch, che. In English we have chimney, chimney. Or Cyril, which is Cyril in Croatian. D, deset, 10. J, like J in jewel, jewel. Or džez, jazz. And we have j, so j and dž. In English, like the J in Jack, j, j and j, jewel and Jack. And another example for in English is gem, and it's the same as in English jam. Well, the meaning is the same, but the pronunciation is different. E, Egipat, Egypt. F, formirati, to form. G, gurati, to push. H, hodati, to go. I, izlaz, the exit. Je, jesti, to eat. K, krivo, as an adjective, wrong. L, lijepo, or you might hear it as lijepo, pretty. Lj, ljepota, the beauty. M, mater, the mother. N, naći, to find. Nj, or N, nježan, sensitive. O, excuse me, O, orao, the eagle. P, papriti, to pepper. R, ručak, the dinner at 12 midday or lunchtime. S, sunce, the sun. Š, or eš, šok. Šok, excuse me. It sounds like sok, which is juice, but it's šok, same as shock in English. T, tank, tank in English, tank in Croatian. And the last four, U, učiti, to learn. V, vjetar, wind. Or let's look it up again. V, ž, yes. V, vjetar, the wind. Z, zub, tooth. And ž, žaba, frog. Thanks for listening and enjoy listening to our next episode as well. See you later. Bye.